Hey everyone, today I'll show you 5 amazing Chrome extensions that will supercharge your browsing experience. Have you ever needed to capture an entire web page for a project or report? Go Full Page makes it effortless. Open any website. For this demo, I'm using Wikipedia. Click the Go Full Page icon in the Chrome toolbar. Watch as it scrolls through the page automatically, capturing every section. When it's done, it opens a new tab with the full screenshot. You can save it as a PNG or PDF with one click. Why use it, designers, researchers, or anyone dealing with long pages? This tool is a lifesaver. Next up, we have Grammarly, the ultimate tool to make sure your writing is always top-notch. Let's head to Gmail and start composing an email. Grammarly instantly underlines grammar and spelling issues. For example, here, it's suggesting a better phrasing for clarity. Click on the suggestion to fix the error. Done. Why use it? Whether you're writing emails, essays, or social media posts, Grammarly improves your grammar, punctuation, and even your tone. It's like having a personal editor, and the free version is surprisingly powerful. Tired of those annoying ads popping up everywhere? Adblock removes them for good. Open YouTube or any website without an ad blocker. It's full of pre-roll ads and banners. Now enable AdBlock and refresh the page. Boom, all ads are gone. Why use it? It speeds up your browsing and gets rid of distractions. Plus, you can whitelist websites you want to support, like your favorite creators. If you love online shopping, you'll love Honey. It finds and applies the best discount codes for you. Let's shop on Amazon. Add some items to your cart and go to checkout. Honey pops up and searches for coupon codes. Within seconds, it applies the best one available. You can see the discount reflected in your total price. Why use it? Honey works on thousands of sites like Amazon, eBay, and Walmart. It's a no-brainer if you shop online. Finally, we have Dark Reader, a must-have for night owls. Open a bright website like Google. Click the Dark Reader icon to enable dark mode. Instantly, the page transforms into a soothing dark theme. You can even adjust the brightness, contrast, or set it to activate only at night. Why use it? It's perfect for reducing eye strain during late-night work or study sessions, plus it works on nearly every website. And there you have it, 5 powerful Chrome extensions that can make your life easier, more productive, and more enjoyable. Which one is your favorite? Try them out and let me know in the comments.